two-digit addition. Tim and Amy went to the beach for a holiday. A man was selling coconuts on the beach. They saw many straws thrown away near that stall. Tim picked up 13 straws. Amy picked up 4 straws. How many straws did they pick up together? 13 straws plus 4 straws. Put all the ones together. 10 straws plus 7 straws. So, 13 plus 4 is the same as 10 plus 7. They picked up 17 straws in total. Let us see how to add. We cannot always count things on our fingers to add them. So, here is a quick way to add. First, add the ones. 3 plus 4. Total 7. Then add the tens. Here, there is only one 10. So, we write 1 in the tens column. Total tens, 1, ones, 7. We are adding only individual straws, ones, whereas there is no change in the bunch of 10 straws. That's why we write the same number in the tens column. Here is one more example. 23 straws plus 2 straws equal to 25 straws. First, add the ones. Ones, 3 and 2 equal to 5. Then, add the tens. Here, there are 2 tens. So, we write 2 in the tens column. Total tens, 2, ones, 5. Let us recall 10 ones is equal to 1 tenth. 20 ones is equal to 2 tens. 24 ones is equal to 2 tens and 4 ones.